Have an event coming up? Is your hair still in that protective style we covered in the previous video? Here's a cute look that's an eye catcher. Follow along with this quick twist out hairstyle to achieve it. First, start with simply untwisting the 2-string twist from the ends. Be gentle to avoid disrupting the naturally beautiful form that results from untwisting. With some of these twists, you may be able to complete with just your fingers. For the others that may be more difficult, use a combination styling comb or an edge brush with comb and pintail. You'll also want to be gentle, especially when detangling, to prevent breakage. Since the last video I posted with the 2-string twist protective style, my hair grew 2 inches. Fun fact! Though trimming ends doesn't increase the growth rate of your hair, it does help give it a healthier appearance. This is achieved by the removal of split or damaged ends, which could also help decrease further damage and increase the longevity of long, healthy hair. Now that you have untwisted the 2-string twist, gently run your fingers through your hair without disrupting the form that has resulted from untwisting. You could wear your hair free-flowing like this, but to take it to the next level, continue following along. Next, take a small portion of the twist outs from the sides and top like so. And brush your hair from the roots back to prep for the next steps. With this style, I use Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel Souffle to moisturize. Apply a generous amount to your hands and brush your hands over your hair from the roots back. Then, use a Boar Bristle hairbrush and brush in the moisturizer you just applied. Next, put this small portion of twist outs into a ponytail using your preferred band. Next, apply an edge control. I use Crème of Nature Perfect Edges with argan oil from Morocco. Quick tip: I recommend you grease your scalp and moisturize your hair every 3 days. After applying edge control, use a combination styling comb or an edge brush to further refine your edges and obtain your desired look. You could also use a Boar Bristle hairbrush in combination with your fingers for additional refinement. And voila, you're ready for the event. You could also wrap your ponytail into a bun. Remember, your hair is your crown, so wear it. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit that notification bell to stay notified. If you haven't seen the previous video, watch it here.